to Soundbites Academy. You have reached day 7 of our 30 Days English Level Up Challenge for beginners. My grandmother's stories about her childhood always captivate me. They provide a glimpse into a different era and teach me valuable lessons about life.
My grandmother's stories about her childhood always captivate me. They provide a glimpse into a different era and teach me valuable lessons about life.
Have you seen the latest action film? What are your thoughts about it?
Have you seen the latest action film? What are your thoughts about it?
Yes, I watched it last night. The special effects were incredible, and the plot kept me on the edge of my seat throughout the movie.
Yes, I watched it last night. The special effects were incredible, and the plot kept me on the edge of my seat throughout the movie.
Could you please lend me a hand with these heavy boxes? I need to move them to the storage room.
Could you please lend me a hand with these heavy boxes? I need to move them to the storage room.
Exploring new cultures and experiencing different traditions through travel broadens our horizons and enriches our perspective on the world.
Exploring new cultures and experiencing different traditions through travel broadens our horizons and enriches our perspective on the world.
The weather is perfect for a beach day. We should bring sunscreen and beach towels.
The weather is perfect for a beach day. We should bring sunscreen and beach towels.
Absolutely. While packing, don't forget to bring a cooler filled with refreshing drinks and snacks.
Absolutely. While packing, don't forget to bring a cooler filled with refreshing drinks and snacks.
Can you recommend a good movie? I'm in the mood for a thrilling adventure or a heartwarming romance.
Can you recommend a good movie? I'm in the mood for a thrilling adventure or a heartwarming romance.
Our family enjoys gathering around the dinner table, sharing stories, and indulging in delicious homemade meals.
Our family enjoys gathering around the dinner table, sharing stories, and indulging in delicious homemade meals.
This dress looks very nice with its vibrant color and detailed collar. However, do you have it in a smaller size?
This dress looks very nice with its vibrant color and detailed collar. However, do you have it in a smaller size?
I'm sorry, that size is sold out. But I can check if we have it available at our other branch while you browse the rest of our collection.
I'm sorry. That size is sold out, but I can check if we have it available at our other branch while you browse the rest of our collection.
I'm planning to join a yoga class to improve flexibility and promote overall well-being. Would you like to invite your friends to join?
I'm planning to join a yoga class to improve flexibility and promote overall well-being. Would you like to invite your friends to join?
Learning a foreign language opens doors to new opportunities, helps in building connections, and broadens cultural understanding.
Learning a foreign language opens doors to new opportunities, helps in building connections, and broadens cultural understanding.
The novel that I am currently reading is very engaging and keeps me hooked with its exciting story full of surprising and unexpected events.
The novel that I am currently reading is very engaging and keeps me hooked with its exciting story full of surprising and unexpected events.
I'll grab the fruits and vegetables while you pick up the dairy products from the refrigerated section.
I'll grab the fruits and vegetables while you pick up the dairy products from the refrigerated section.
Sure. I'll meet you at the checkout counter after I've collected the milk, cheese, and yogurt from the dairy aisle.
Sure. I'll meet you at the checkout counter after I've collected the milk, cheese, and yogurt from the dairy aisle.
Eating a balanced diet that includes a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins is essential for maintaining good health.
Eating a balanced diet that includes a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins is essential for maintaining good health.
Exploring the wonders of nature, such as hiking in the mountains or swimming in the ocean, is a fantastic way to rejuvenate both body and mind.
Exploring the wonders of nature, such as hiking in the mountains or swimming in the ocean, is a fantastic way to rejuvenate both body and mind.
Maintaining a positive mindset is crucial for overcoming challenges and achieving personal growth and success.
Maintaining a positive mindset is crucial for overcoming challenges and achieving personal growth and success.
What are your career goals and aspirations? I aspire to work in a creative field where I can utilize my passion for design.
What are your career goals and aspirations? I aspire to work in a creative field where I can utilize my passion for design.
I'm thinking of starting a vegetable garden in my backyard. That's a great idea.
I'm thinking of starting a vegetable garden in my backyard. That's a great idea.
You can grow fresh produce while also enjoying the therapeutic benefits of gardening.
You can grow fresh produce while also enjoying the therapeutic benefits of gardening.
I'm going to the library to borrow some books. Reading helps expand knowledge and stimulates imagination.
I'm going to the library to borrow some books. Reading helps expand knowledge and stimulates imagination.
Excuse me, could I get a cappuccino, please? Of course. One cappuccino coming right up. Would you like it with regular milk or a non-dairy alternative?
Excuse me, could I get a cappuccino, please? Of course. One cappuccino coming right up. Would you like it with regular milk or a non-dairy alternative?
Could you kindly provide me with detailed directions to the nearest stationery store? I'm in urgent need of locating one as I have an important document that requires specific materials for mailing.
Could you kindly provide me with detailed directions to the nearest stationery store? I'm in urgent need of locating one as I have an important document that requires specific materials for mailing.
Are you excited about the family reunion next weekend? Definitely. It's always great to see everyone and catch up on each other's lives while sharing stories and laughter.
Are you excited about the family reunion next weekend? Definitely. It's always great to see everyone and catch up on each other's lives while sharing stories and laughter.
Participating in volunteer work provides an opportunity to give back to the community and make a difference in the lives of others.
Participating in volunteer work provides an opportunity to give back to the community and make a difference in the lives of others.
Regular exercise not only improves physical fitness but also boosts mood and reduces stress levels.
Regular exercise not only improves physical fitness but also boosts mood and reduces stress levels.
I'm going to the art museum to admire the works of renowned painters and sculptors.
I'm going to the art museum to admire the works of renowned painters and sculptors.
Healthy sleeping habits, such as maintaining a consistent sleep schedule and creating a relaxing bedtime routine, contribute to overall well-being.
Healthy sleeping habits, such as maintaining a consistent sleep schedule and creating a relaxing bedtime routine, contribute to overall well-being.
Learning to manage time effectively is crucial for balancing work, personal life, and achieving personal goals.
Learning to manage time effectively is crucial for balancing work, personal life, and achieving personal goals.
How can I incorporate more fruits and vegetables into my diet? One way is to add them to your smoothies while also preparing colorful salads to increase your daily intake of nutrients.
How can I incorporate more fruits and vegetables into my diet? One way is to add them to your smoothies while also preparing colorful salads to increase your daily intake of nutrients.
Now, we add a pinch of salt to the sauce while stirring it gently. This will enhance the flavors and bring out the natural sweetness of the ingredients.
Now, we add a pinch of salt to the sauce while stirring it gently. This will enhance the flavors and bring out the natural sweetness of the ingredients.
I have an upcoming job interview and I'm feeling a bit nervous.
I have an upcoming job interview and I'm feeling a bit nervous.
Don't worry. You've got this. Remember to showcase your skills and highlight your experiences while answering their questions.
Don't worry. You've got this. Remember to showcase your skills and highlight your experiences while answering their questions.
Have you ever been to Paris? I'm planning a trip there next year with my fiancé as a pre-wedding trip.
Have you ever been to Paris? I'm planning a trip there next year with my fiancé as a pre-wedding trip.
Yes, I've been there. While exploring the city, make sure to visit the Eiffel Tower and try some delicious French pastries.
Yes, I've been there. While exploring the city, make sure to visit the Eiffel Tower and try some delicious French pastries.
Excuse me, can you tell me how to get to the nearest subway station? Of course. Walk straight ahead for 2 blocks, then turn left. You'll find the station on your right side.
Excuse me, can you tell me how to get to the nearest subway station? Of course. Walk straight ahead for 2 blocks, then turn left. You'll find the station on your right side.
For my sister's birthday party taking place next week, I'm going to decorate the living room with balloons and streamers while you can prepare the snacks in the kitchen.
For my sister's birthday party taking place next week, I'm going to decorate the living room with balloons and streamers while you can prepare the snacks in the kitchen.
Hope you enjoyed today's video. Leave a comment below if you found any content challenging and share your thoughts with other learners. Subscribe, like, and share this video to support us and stay up to date on new courses. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.